the future window tinting technology that protect your privacy from the prying eyes and eliminate the needs of curtains or blinds, protect your interior furnishings against the discolor, aging from the radiation of harmful UV ray, and extends its service life.
With the growing drive for green building development, smart PDLC glass offers a better solution for controlling privacy, solar heat gain, glare, and sunlight, in comparison to the installation of permanently tinted glass or blinds. Furthermore, it is helpful for the productivity improvement, health and energy efficiency, besides offering improved comfort, security, and safety, as well as aesthetic design with minimalism.